recording. Well, it's recording, baby. Get your shades on. Yeah.
Dangerous woman, dangerous carrot.
Dangerous Harry.
Oh, that'd be a nice one.
Oh.
That one rather than where you work to get it all in there.
That looks nice, that one.
It looks as though it's never ending, doesn't it?
Let's see where we go. See what we've got. A walk. With everything. Oh, look at them lights. Oh, sexy lights, them look. Go on, flash your lights, babe. Flash them. Go on, flash your lights. Hey! Look at your lights, man. I see, I got your leg in now. Go on, flash your lights. I flashed them now. You've done now. Oh, yes. Just flash your lights. Aye. Your lights, no, your lights on the bike, on the scooter. No, you already did because you broke, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
You pressed brake so you showed your lights.
That sounds foreign, that day. Tyres flat blue.
How much, Fred?
I'm talking to 2 hours, $14.95.
Fuck that. 14 quid for 2 hours.
15.
50. Fuck that.
$14.95 for 2 hours.
Stop that then.
And I think you have to do it on your app. You can put money in. It's ridiculous.
Con. It's a con. It's a con. It's a con.
You don't have to put money.
Yeah, we'll do it from there.
Tower.
We'll get the tower in. I'll try with this fucking zooming in and out shit. I don't know.
This weather has changed a bit though.
Definitely, man.
So,
How have they got down there? God, he's cooking, he's on gas.
it's going to be a way down, but I don't know where. Because that steam went down.
Start with a bit of shit. Had to start with a bit of shit there, like. I zoomed in on the dog shit, started off with that, and I thought, well, I'll show that fucker.